8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Iconic city in the United States, New York City is what comes to mind. As the most populous city in the country, 5 million people, New York City has the world's 2 largest stock exchanges and is known for having some of the world's most renowned educational facilities. New York City has many nicknames, one of them being the Big Apple. The origin of this nickname is often disputed, but many believe it originated in the 1920s from John J. Fitzgerald, a sports writer for the New York Morning Telegraph. Located in the southeastern region of the state of New York, the city is known for many of its landmarks, including Carnegie Hall, the Empire State Building, Broadway, and the Statue of Liberty. These were all popular attractions for the 56 million tourists that visited the city in 2014, generating approximately $61 billion in revenue. In addition to being called the Big Apple, New York City is known as being the city that never sleeps. Similar to Los Angeles, California, New York City is full of action-packed entertainment attractions. Madison Square Garden, Radio City Music Hall and Central Park are 3 venues within city limits that are constantly hosting concerts and other live shows, attracting millions of attendees. New York City also features the Broadway Theater District for those interested in live theater. Broadway sold a record $1.36 billion worth of theater tickets in 2014.